Hello everyone and welcome back to the Home Studio Simplified channel. My name is Robert McClellan and today we'll be revealing what exactly is that big thing that's coming. BandLab, 𝗍𝗵𝗄 and myself have all been working hard behind the scenes to put something together for each and every one of you, the viewers, here on this channel. And to take this idea even farther, this is going to be more than just a tutorial. In fact, there's going to be a playlist with tutorials as well as interactive videos included therein. So this is going to help you as a subscriber to not only learn from the playlist that's going to be included on the channel now, but also to interact with the channel and the brands who are helping to sponsor this playlist. In light of recent events, there's been a lot of changes that's been implemented into the lives of each and every one of us. Now, perhaps one of the biggest changes that's taken place in each and every one of our lives is that we have spent more time indoors than maybe we ever have before. Now, although we as individuals, as communities, as cities, states, nations, and even the world have a long road ahead of us, there is now and always will be a light at the end of the tunnel. It still has in no way lessened the effect of us being closed in more now so than ever. And so I present to you the first of a video series that's going to be entitled A Studio Without Walls. Now, as much as we all love to be behind these closed doors and in our studios staying creative, there comes a point in time when you really need to draw inspiration from something else. And so this idea of a studio without walls is literally taking the studio outside those four walls, finding inspiration in the great outdoors and recording that inspiration or recording in that environment that brings you that inspiration, then bringing that creation back into your space of creativity and molding it and shaping it into something that can be shared with the world. And this is why just a few months ago I had this epiphany while working closely with BandLab as a BandLab insider. You see, one of the biggest reasons that people actually use BandLab is the fact that it is mobile. And you can have the app right here on your phone, making music wherever you might be in the world, sharing that music in a collaborative effort with other individuals all the way across the world. It was during our 10,000 subscriber celebration here on the channel when 𝗍𝗵𝗄 reached out to sponsor that event that I actually put two and two together. BandLab is all about mobile music production, and 𝗍𝗵𝗄 makes some of the best interfaces on the planet to actually aid in that process. Interfaces that you can plug right into your iPhone, your Android device, your iPad, your laptop, whatever it might be, and record live at any place in the world. And this is where the best of both worlds actually meet, because now you have BandLab that you can take on your phone with you and 𝗍𝗵𝗄 devices that you can plug straight into that phone to get good high fidelity quality recordings on the go. Now, when I pitched this idea to both of these brands and began to convey to them my vision of a studio without walls, there was absolutely no hesitation from either party to jump into this both feet first. All right, so now that you know the backstory about this particular playlist, let me help to guide you along through the process of what exactly is going to take place. Now, this is where the expertise of this channel comes into play. Not only will these brands be helping to sponsor this with giveaways, plugins, and much more, but also I'm going to be training you all along the process on how to get the best sounds, how to get them mixed, how to get them mastered, and then how to release them for the entire world to hear. And in keeping with the theme of this channel, we are going to simplify the process so that anyone from any level of expertise can be involved and actually get good results. All right, so this has been a brief introduction as to what will be happening between Home Studio Simplified, BandLab, and 𝗍𝗵𝗄 here on the channel within the next few months. Be sure to subscribe to this channel as well as click the bell icon so that every time a new video is uploaded into this playlist, you'll be the first to know. Likewise, I've included a link below this video for the playlist so that you can bookmark that in your browser of choice. All right, that's it for today, but make sure you stay tuned for the next video where we will discuss the BandLab application as well as the 𝗍𝗵𝗄 iRig Pro Duo, one of the best interfaces on the market for mobile recording. Until then, remember, we can dream alone, we can create alone, but together we can achieve so much more.